Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to create a water alarm with the help of a buzzer, a battery, and a push button. Step 1. Place a battery, a push button, and a buzzer on a flat surface. Step 2. Connect the positive terminal of the battery to one of the terminals of the push button. Connect the opposite terminal of the push button to the positive leg of the buzzer. Step 3. Connect the negative leg of the buzzer to the battery's negative terminal. Now, click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action.